In the universe itself being as a blanket where you put a marble, the marble being planets, they create dentations underneath, as they roll around a blanket, like your bed sheets. So if the universe is like a blanket, and you put different sizes of marbles, the heavier the marble, the more dentation of the blanket underneath. Same with Earth. Earth is smaller, Jupiter is bigger. And both are, for example, marbles. And the universe, galaxy, and space itself is considered a blanket, like a bed sheet. But anyway, my point is that as far as time concerned, time flows differently depending on the size of the planet. For instance, Earth is a smaller planet, and Jupiter is a larger, much larger planet. So if a person was in Earth, the time will go normal, as everybody knows it. But if they were in Jupiter, time will be flowing quite different because Jupiter is more massive. And not only that, just the gravity itself will crush a person's body because of the immense weight of a person. So if a person is 100 pounds in Earth, and Jupiter might be 1,000 or more. I'm not sure exactly what the equation is, but anyway, the weight of the planet will be different. So since in this case I have arrows here, universe, galaxy, and space, I have some arrows pointing. That's the actual blanket, or in this case is the universe itself, and where the marbles are, like in this case Earth and Jupiter, set in. And as you can tell, Earth's got a smaller curvature because Earth is smaller. It tends the space or universe differently and quite less. But on Jupiter, the curvature of the space and universe is larger because Jupiter is a larger mass. So the more curvature, the more effect in time is. So Earth's time will be quite different than Jupiter. So if a person stays in Jupiter, time will be different. So let's say two twins, and one from Earth and the other one goes to Jupiter. Basically, the one in Jupiter's time will be quite different than the one on Earth. So one will be aging normally, and the other one either, I don't know at this point, but either will be becoming older or younger, because the time will be flowing different depending on the weight of the planet. So time travel is quite different. Time itself is quite different. Anyway, and in this case also, I have on the bottom here what it looks like a miniature space station. If the space station is underneath between Jupiter and the curvature of the universe, then at the same token, the effect of time will be quite different because the time will be flowing, because the space station is sitting right between a planet and the curvature of space, and so time will be altered. So also, if there's two twins, one on Earth and one at space station right there, well, obviously one's going to get older than the other one. Or if they were living on different Earth and Jupiter, same deal. One will be aging quite faster than the other one. So yes, besides Jupiter will be crushing a person's body, because instead of being 100 pounds, it'll be 1,000 pounds, and nobody can walk around with 1,000 pounds. It'd be really hard. Anyway, so as far as that goes, so basically, time flows depending on the size of the planet. So yes, now you know. That's why I really doubt it that people will be living in different planets, because our bodies are used to a different time zone, and our bodies used to a different flow of time. But if you live in a larger planet or a smaller planet than Earth, time is going to be either flowing slowly or faster. So that's the way it is. So yes, time flows differently on each planet. And if you like to see where I'm at right now, a beautiful park. So you guys have a good one. Enjoy your day.